Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide Amazon order history. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide your Amazon order history, you cannot do it through your main Amazon app. You need to log in into your Amazon through a web browser or extension Chrome. So once you have done this, you can simply sign in into your account and simply tap on your profile and go to your returns and orders. Once you have simply gone to this, you can look at the thing called archive your returns or archive your order, usually below the product image. If you have returned something, you can find it right below your returned product. And now once confirming by clicking archive order in the pop-up, you can simply hide Amazon order history. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.